Hello there. So today we're gonna look at a few ChatGPTs, or we're gonna look at Haiku, Sonet, the free V3, and the Gemini Flash, and I want to compare the qualities and see how they compare to each other, right? So I have prepared this right here. Gemini Flash probably did the best one. So we're gonna compare the model, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 models, and then we're gonna compare the time it takes for them to complete, tokens in, token out, and then quality is the rating that I give each of these models. Okay, so let's get to this. All right, so at this point, I have just tested the DeepSeek V3, and the quality is pretty okay. I already have the Sonet, but we're gonna do this again to get it with Sonet, and then I know how many tokens went in and how many tokens went out. All right, so let's now do this with 4.0 mini. So I'm just changing the chat router, and I have my video transcription. Just gonna hi chat, open chat. Okay, so now I want to save this workflow, refresh. Okay, so I'm gonna feed in the chat, and then we're gonna wait, and I'm gonna have the clock ready, stopwatch, reset, and start. All right, so stop the video. Oh, that took just a few seconds. That's insane. I don't know how that worked, but okay. So that was the 4.0 mini. That took like 4 seconds. Um, 4.0 mini. There we go. Cost is 0, or not 0. It's gonna cost, let's see, $0.006. The tokens are like that. So as you can see, the formatting with DeepSeek V3 is actually correct. So that's a plus point. So we're gonna give it 4, but it did not give us a hook, which was in the system prompt. So that's why I will give it a 4, but not a 5. Here, formatting is really bad. As you can see, it's just kind of crumbled all together. So we have to say, can you fix the formatting? Let's see. There you go. Just came back. So this should be the correct format, right? And that is how it looks, but yeah. All right. Now we're gonna test Flash. Flash 2 free. And then we're gonna delete the chat, open chat. Okay, so we're gonna feed this in again. Here we go, feed that in. That's also around 3 seconds, I think. Timecodes look correct. We have a hook, and yeah, that definitely was the best one out of these two. So Gemini Flash, claiming step by step, perfect. So that gets a 4 actually. This gets a 3. That also gets a 3, I think. What I like about this, it has these keywords like connecting it to DNS, adding your droplet to domain, but it could be a little too complicated. This one, yeah, because of the formatting, it's really hard to read, but definitely has less shit going on. It does not mention DNS, this one. And outro, that's kind of not a very good one to have, to be honest. It's not a real. So yeah, it's also a 4. So let's do Haiku. We're gonna reset the session. We're gonna do Haiku. So yeah, Gemini Flash free, time in seconds, 4 seconds, tokens in and out. That's what's up here. There we go. Now we're gonna test it with Haiku. I think this is gonna outperform both. 3.55. And we're gonna put this in right there. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Around 9 seconds. So Haiku around 9 seconds. We got the tokens 355. The cost is a bit higher, as you can see. Cost is this right there. And the quality, well, really the quality is not much better. As you see, join secret platform, secret application. Okay, how to do the application. Here we don't even have the application that joining secret explained. Claiming. Okay, well, I guess it makes sense. Pro tip. So this is stupid, because I told in the system prompt that we don't want this. So Haiku right now really underperformed, I would say. So I don't want any pro tips. Yeah, that's not good. And if we had some, you know, assistant, chat, that the output would be much better. But sadly, in this AI agent, I haven't found how to do that yet. So let's just test Sonet also. Let's see if it's any different, because Sonet should be the best one out of all. In my experience, Sonet has beaten like most of the other ones, just by using it myself. Okay, so let's put it in Sonet. We're gonna get the timer, reset, start. There we go. So let's see how long it takes for the Sonet. Oh, so that's around 10 seconds. 10 seconds, and then the cost is going to be, yeah, that's expensive. Compared to the other ones, it's really expensive. So we're gonna put that there. And then get that. So I don't like the formatting really. Right now, from what I've seen, DeepSeek has done the best job from the system prompt only. And yeah, really, because the formatting is really off here. But yeah, so far Gemini Flash probably did the best one. Yeah, so I guess the winner in this test is gonna be Gemini Flash. Really free, fast, and just works. I don't know if there's gonna be rate limits on it, but if there's not, then it's great. Gemini Flash, DeepSeek V3 free. Got my thumbs up right now. Have a good time and see you in this other video. Bye.